Hi guys, welcome to COSTCO haul. I think this video is supposed to be out way more months ago, but honestly there is a good reason for that also, because there are so many more goodies in Costco lately. Like every time I come there, it's like, wow, so many. And I'm very happy to see these changes, and there are so many other healthy options affordable for people. It means that there are so many more people making healthy choices and going towards health. So this is just my normal haul, like what I eat every day, what I buy for like couple months. And we're gonna start with frozen fish. Today is Antarctic Queen. Honestly, I haven't tried this one. I mean, I haven't bought it, but I tried it today because they have the stands where you can try, and this is really good. It's very affordable. It's around 15 bucks, big pack. Then I also buy fruits. From the fruits, I buy blueberries, organic blueberries. It's not such a big difference. You can buy organic and do a smoothie. Wild shrimp, also wild caught, not farm raised, very important. Like mixing fish and fruits. Also mango, very convenient for your smoothies. And this time I got triple berry blend, where you have blackberries, strawberries and blueberries, but also they have separately. You can buy blueberries separately or blackberries. And this thing I really like to make my own edamame. If you saw the recipe on Instagram, very easy. I put garlic, edamame, unfrozen, and I put soy sauce. When I saw this product, I was really happy because this is vegan plant-based butter. Means that it's coconut oil. It's really good. And by the way, this is my top ingredient of this amazing cookies, plant-based. No, it was not plant-based because it had egg. Cookies that I posted recently on Instagram, fluffy ones. I use this. Next, we go to this section. We have this fish. I always buy fresh, and this is wild caught. Please don't buy a farm raised fish, only wild caught. I bought also the smoked. I try to buy wild. They have like 4 different ones. Wild one, and they had 2 packages. I already ate one, so this is really good. And next we're gonna go with, let's do fruits. Bananas, always buy a lot. I have there more, and I just cut them and put them in a freezer, and they are ready for my smoothies. Or you can do cookies, or you can just grab as your snack, you know. It's very good. You can do a lot of desserts from it too. So please have your bananas ready to go. Mangoes, I'm gonna show you. 6-pack, also organic and very sweet and good. Organic cucumbers. Also we have almond butter, very easy with all the, I like to put almond butter on top of the rice cakes. Big packages. These are 7 tortilla chips, and actually before they used to have only like this. Yeah, this is the size. This it's like original flavor, but now they got fuego, which is it's like chili and tomato kind of style. And the thing is, this is non-gluten. It's cassava flour, cassava blend. They are really good, and they so much more healthier than, actually today it was funny, they were promoting the products just like fish, and it was Doritos there, and they look just like the same package, you know. It's hard to see what's the difference between them unless you see the ingredients. And when you go here, you see here all the natural ingredients like avocado oil, even all the spices they use. It's chili, red chili powder, right? coconut milk powder, beet powder, sea salt, chia seed. It's all natural, you know what I mean. Over there in Doritos, if you're gonna see the ingredients, it's like this big. First of all, it's huge, and you see all these names you can't even pronounce. That's what it says, that it's not even natural. So please try to read the labels and see what you eat. That's gonna make you so much more conscious about your choices, because of course it's easier to say, oh, I didn't know, I didn't see, but you have this ability to look, you have your eyes, so use them in order to have these healthy choices, you know, for every day. And talking about healthy choices, I think this is such a great idea for kids. These are the fruit bars. So basically you have apple puree concentrate, banana puree, so all this puree fruits, organic 100%. It's like a jelly type bar. It's amazing, it's so good. It still have nutrients, it has calories, it's not like it's, you know what I mean, it still has sugar, but sugar from fruit. And what I like that it's a concentrate, it's the actual puree, it's not a juice, so it has all the fiber in it. Dried mango, honestly I'm addicted to them, and when I run out of mangoes, I'm just trying to buy whatever in every store, because they also have in Trader Joe's, in Sprouts. But this price, $17 for almost, for 2.5 pounds, you know what I mean? It's a really good price, and it's really good, and it's organic in Sprouts. I'm not sure it's even organic, and it's like 5 times more high priced. And here we have almond flour, also cookies ingredient, so must have. This is a big pack, so honestly it's very convenient. Also about the dry fruits, lychee, if you go to Sprouts you're gonna see like maybe 10 different fruits, and it's funny because only 3 or 4 of them are no sugar. So if you go to ingredients, again, lychee, that's it. So it means that it's our choice, and there are other ones that says fruit and sugar, it means that we can't do it. Jackfruit, it's really good. It's like if you try the jackfruit, there are different ones. There are ones that are more like meat style, and they are more like juicy. This is sweet, but it's also like chewy, you know. I remember the guy said something like, oh yeah, I tried, I didn't like it. And I realized that I understand that some people may not like it, especially if you eat a lot of candies and a lot of sugar. Maybe it's gonna be not even sweet enough for you, but it's only for a short period of time, because your taste changes once you change your habits, your food choices, you know. I don't eat sugar, so it's, for me, this is really sweet enough. Then I got to try Orgain. I like this company, and I have like 2 proteins, plant-based from them. This one is peptides, so we're gonna try the collagen. We'll see. I like it with matcha, and this one has no flavor. There was another one, lemon flavor, so maybe you're gonna like that one more. Then we go to pickles, regular pickles. I just like them with my meals. Chocolate, oh my gosh, I'm so happy that this chocolate is in Costco, because this is a huge pack. Honestly, it's big. $10, when normally in store it's like $7 for small one, like maybe third part. Jojo's really changed my life, because this is so good. Dark chocolate, we have cocoa butter, stevia, macadamia nuts, hemp protein, coconut oil, sea salt, like perfect. So I love it, I really love it. 0 sugar. Also we have avocados. I like to take them not right yet, so they can chill, and they're gonna be ready in a week or so. Then I hope these ones are sweet enough, because it depends, you know, depends on the season, but I like to get also organic watermelon. These are portobello mushrooms, very good, and white organic mushrooms also. please buy organic. And these ones are organic sweet potatoes, also for cookies, or just I'm air frying them. Then we have spring mix essentials for every day for our smoothies. This time I bought organic eggs. I had time when I didn't eat eggs at all, and I felt pretty good, but I missed it, you know, it's just a habit. So we'll see how it goes. Right now I am eating them, and maybe I'm gonna stop again, we'll see. Sprout seeds. Honestly, that's a new one. I haven't seen this one. Huge bag. It's really good for your toppings or just to take as a snack. It's amazing. Also, it's organic. Of course, it's organic. I love them. Almond flour siete tortillas. They are very crunchy, really good. I do like chimichangas, if you saw the recipe on my Instagram, or you can just eat them by themselves or actually with an egg. It's just amazing. This is white rice. And I know, of course, you can buy just a huge bag of rice and boil it every time, but this is different. It just tastes so good. So what I do, I just put out of this package, out of the bowl on pan, and I just press it with, I don't put any like water, nothing, maybe a little bit of soy sauce, aminos, and I just kind of squeeze it, and 2 minutes, it's like sushi rice, you know, it's sticky rice, really good. So this is must have, and it's only a couple of seconds, so you're not gonna go and eat some bad stuff because it's already done. You don't need to boil it. You don't need to wait for the water to be done. It's already waiting for you. So this is the life hack for all the good choices. Just need to have them prepared for every occasion. So then you not go to Postmates, you know. These are olives. Well, these ones are from Greece, so they are not organic, but they are the best they can be. And this one is avocado lime dressing oil. Really good. I like that finally these Primal Kitchen companies, good companies, are in COSTCO. This is very convenient. And of course, coconut milk. 6 cans. Lastly, we have 2 types of drinks. Honestly, I'm a little bit addicted because this is the Lemon Perfect Hydration Zero Sugar. I like that it's only water, lemon juice, so sweetened with the stevia, no sugar. Really good. It tastes really good. And the other one is sparkling water with a little bit of lemon juice. So it's a great thing also for summer. Okay, these are the goodies. I hope you found something good for yourself that you can buy and try, and stay healthy. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I see you on the next one.